Do you watch movies, ma'am? Or
I love watching movie and which kind if I say I like horror or thriller movie.
इंग्लिश में इन ऑन और एट कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? ये तीनों ही लोकेशन या टाइम के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, पर सबका
Tell me this thing. Do you face this type of issue? Like you want to speak in English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You feel hesitation. You feel fumble while speaking English. You have a lots of ideas in your mind, but you are not capable to express those ideas in English. Why it is happening with you? The biggest thing that is stopping you, that is lack of practice. The more a person is speaking English, so he better become fluent in English. But there is a biggest problem, like most of the people are facing, like we don't have an environment in English. So because of this reason, I am not able to speak in English. So don't worry friends, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application you can easily improve your English, you can easily do practice in English. So Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application you can easily improve your English fluency. Not only you can easily improve your English fluency, but also you can get more confidence in English. Once you get confidence in English, then you can easily speak in English in front of the public, in front anywhere. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Application name which I'm going to share with you in this video name is PeerUp. I have already made a video on this particular topic, but I know there are new subscribers. So for the new subscriber, I just want to share with you this application in front of you, because I used this application a lot, and whenever I get some time, so I generally use this application. So this is the best application. And before getting into the video, I just want to share with you 3 or 4 points. Like first thing is that this is free and cost application. You don't need to give money for purchasing or downloading this application, and you can use this application according to your timetable. You can use this application unlimited time. I mean to say, there is no any time boundary. Okay, and just start your English speaking practice with the help of this application. For this, what you need to do, you need to just you have Android phone, and you should have only one Android phone and internet access. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use this application. So for this you need to just go to the Play Store and download PeerUp. PeerUp. Actually I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application, and yes, you can see the logo. Okay, now when I open this feature, you will see there is a function like AI and talk to AI and talk is real person. When I touch talk to AI, so it will ask some money. Okay, but don't do that. I mean to say, you don't need to give money for doing conversation for your practice in English. You need to just start here. Yes, start here, start. Okay, when I touch start now, and this is free and cost feature, and it will ask something like a gender and your English level. Now I'm going to touch any, koi bhi chalega, koi bhi gender, koi bhi level chalega. Just I'm going to touch this, start searching, and it is searching. You can see.
hello,
Hello, your name is Vasa.
Basha.
Basa. Okay, okay, sorry. So how are you, Vasa?
How are you, Rita, ma'am?
I am fine. And how about you?
I'm also good. Where are you from, Rita?
I am from India, Uttar Pradesh. And you?
Oh, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Do you know Andhra
Okay.
Pradesh?
Okay, you are from Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So,
Yes.
okay, so tomorrow we will be celebrating Republic Day, 26th January. So I just
Yes.
asked you a question. Are you a student or a professional?
Yes. Currently, I am a student.
In which class? I mean, say you are in college.
Yes, you're right. I'm currently pursuing a bachelor's degree. I'm a degree student.
Oh,
And what about you?
I am a teacher actually in government sector.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, I will call you, ma'am.
Oh no, it's actually we both are here in this platform for learning this language. So yes, you can call me whatever you know. Okay, if you say me call me ma'am, so I feel good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so Basa, tell me something about yourself, your family, your profession.
Okay, Rita, ma'am. My name is Mahbub Basha. I'm from Dharmavaram, Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah,
I am currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in BCom,
yeah,
and I want to become a software engineer in next few years.
yeah. That's great.
Uh, my habits is running groups and watching English movies with subtitles,
Yeah.
and sometimes I go walk with my friend. His name is Tyson.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, that's it, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Okay,
Can I
so
hear
Ye-
yourself?
yeah, why not? Actually, my name is Rita, and I am a teacher, and I'm teaching a student in a who comes from rural families, and I teach a student from class first to eighth class, but sixth to eighth class I teach only English subject, but first to fifth class I teach all the subject that is needed. So yes, that's all about me, and I'm married. I have two kids. So yes, that's all about me. Now,
So, ma'am, do you watch
yeah, yeah, yeah.
movies, ma'am, or Telugu
Ah,
movies?
actually, yeah, I love watching movie, and which kind? If I say I like horror or thriller movie, and yes, I feel very excited when I watch any horror or thriller movie. Just like Istri 2 and Bhool Bhulaiya, so many. There is something thriller, suspense, and horror. So these types of movie I generally like. And yes, actually in these day I am learning this language, so I usually watch English movie like using subtitle. So yes, that's
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
Do you like listening music or not?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes in bathing times, in walking times, I listen some music.
Okay, okay, okay. So, have you any daily routine or not?
Yes, ma'am. I have a wonderful daily routine every day.
Yeah. So, do you follow your daily routine, or you feel okay sometime? Okay, I don't like to, fix this routine. I want to change in my life.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I feel like that, but currently I'm not feeling bad because I am choosing a wonderful daily routine. I'm following the schedule of my time. Like after completing my breakfast, I went to my college and enjoy with my friends. After that, I have my lunch and take a nap and or reading any book or watching some English movies with subtitles like that, ma'am.
Okay, so that's great. You have a wonderful, your daily routine. Actually, daily routine, helps us to stay productive, organized throughout the day. So yes, the daily routine is very important for every person. And now, let's talk
Yes, ma'am.
about. Actually, tomorrow we will be celebrating our Republic Day. So let's talk about some points about Republic Day. And do you feel happy
Yes,
on talking about this topic?
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I feel proud because it's
okay, okay.
a
So
good like a
So, do you have any
good thing for
knowledge
our
about
country.
Republic Day? If I say you, please tell me three or four sentences about Republic Day. So, do you have any knowledge about this particular festival? Because this is our national festival. So, can you give me some sentence?
Ma'am, I don't know what are the causes of republic, but some person's lifestyle is like the biography I learned, like freedom fighters, Bhagat Singh,
Wow.
Sardar Vallabhai Patel.
Okay. I just want to say 3 or 4 sentences for this occasion. Our Republic Day celebrated on 26 January on 1950 came to force in the and this is the biggest constitution. Okay, ये सबसे बड़ा संविधान है. I don't. Do you know about Hindi language? Do you know about what is your native language?
My native language is Telugu, but I know very well in Hindi.
Okay. So yes, constitute means संविधान. On 1950, our संविधान जो ना हमारा संविधान बना था came into force, and so that's why we generally celebrated this day, because in this day we have some rights in our citizens' hands. Actually, we have lots of rights and our duties, so we should remember our rights and duties also. Certain types of rights, yani freedom to speak, freedom to go anywhere, freedom to live, and in equality. So right to education. So these are some rights, and our duty, we have to follow all the cultures, all the values. We should uphold all the values for our freedom fighters. They sacrifice their life because of our freedom. So that's why we should celebrate this day. We should remember their sacrifice. We should thank to all freedom fighters who gave their life for our independence. So that's why we celebrated this day, Republic Day.
Tribute to those persons who are give to our country.
Yeah. Just you said, earlier that Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose. So there are, countless other, so many freedom fighters. We can't, take some name actually here, because there are not a few. There are in lakhs, in number of lakhs. So yes, we just
Number of people are
yeah.
number of people tributed their lives.
Yeah. So I think your medium is English.
Yes, ma'am.
You are a convent student, but I am. Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, you can ask.
How much do you give my English rating, ma'am? Out of 100?
Out of your English is very good actually rating, so I will give 100% rating.
No, ma'am. I am not a fluent in English.
No, your
Give me
English
like
actually, I just say your English is good, and you speak. You take some pause. I think I notice this thing. First, you listen very carefully, and then you start to give your answer, and it is the best thing. You have a ability to hear someone very attentively, then you generally give your answer. So I find that okay, you have a great ability, because I know whenever I talk to other person, so without listening full sentence, they just try to speak forcefully, repeatedly. But I notice that your answer, when I complete my sentence, so after 1 or 2 seconds you generally give your answer.
yes, I'm glad to be here. Then, ma'am.
Okay, so now let's talk about do you have any question? Do you want to ask some question?
What about? Yes, ma'am. In UP, which city, which district or famous city? Can I get?
Okay, actually I am from UP, and my district is Jhansi, and there are so many famous cities like Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh, and there are so many monuments and so many beautiful places. So you
You are
need
from?
in it, I just want to say one thing. Very famous city in these days, like Prayagraj. So do you hear this name, Prayagraj? In Kumbh Mahakumbh, there is a big fair is currently starting, and it takes one and half months. So yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, this is the famous city of Prayagraj.
I want to say one thing, ma'am. Almost 40 crores Indian citizens are meted up in the Mahakumbh Mela.
Yeah, this is this is the bird's biggest fear, महाकुंभ मेला. विश्व का सबसे बड़ा मेला है महाकुंभ मेला. So yes, Prayagraj is also in Uttar Pradesh. So yes, these are some beautiful and famous cities. Now, let me. Now you can tell me your state about Andhra Pradesh. So in Andhra Pradesh, on where are you? In Andhra Pradesh, there are so many. Yeah,
Do you know
state.
Satyasai, ma'am? Satyasai city.
Satisai city. Okay. So
Famous about a Sai Baba temple.
okay, Andhra Pradesh. On which temple?
Sai Baba temple.
Sai Baba. Okay, 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 okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Do you know Tirupati?
yeah, very. Actually, this is a very famous temple, Tirupati Balaji. I know very well.
Yes, ma'am. Venkateswara temple.
Okay, 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 okay.
It's from our state.
Okay, Tirupati Balaji. Wow, I know. Where na people generally goes and cut their hair.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
So famous.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
And do you
And
want
say
to go
what else?
abroad in your future time? Do you have desire to go to abroad?
Currently, no, ma'am. My financial condition is not stable. That's why I want to stay here, learn some new technologies.
Okay, okay. But okay, if you have a desire, then there is a thing like I generally believe on manifestation that whatever we want to achieve in our life, whatever we want to gain any knowledge, and if you have a desire, and you know, there's this universe will give you, but not the current time, but after in future time. I generally believe this thing like manifestation. So you need to just
Yes, ma'am.
think this thing. Okay, I am in abroad. You need to realize yourself. You need to imagine yourself like you are in abroad and you are enjoying here. So you need to just आपको ये सोचना अपने आप में इमेजिन करना कि आप इस समय एब्रोड में हो, बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे हो. Okay, then this universe will give you this thing. Believe me, this is my, I mean to say, this is my belief, and I believe on this thing like manifestation. And there is a science before this thing, but I don't know. I have received so many things in my life due to this thing like manifestation.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was a great conversation with you, Basa, and I hope you like this conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to cut this conversation. Thank you so much, Vasa. Okay, so when you complete your conversation, okay, then you need to just submit your and it will give you your feedback. You can see it will give you your feedback, and if you consistently using this application, so there is some opportunity like, yes, you can trial this AI application. This is the trial thing. Okay, you need to just trial, and this is free exercise for AI. And if you feel good, if you feel more comfortable to talk to AI, then you can give some money. So it's up to you. Okay, so don't worry. If you feel okay, I have no money, so don't go here. Now I'm going to using this free exercise. You can see this is a free exercise. Now I'm going to touch start exercise.
हेलो, आज हम सीखेंगे कि इंग्लिश में इन, ऑन और एट कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. ये तीनों ही लोकेशन या टाइम के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, पर सबका कॉन्टेक्स्ट अलग होता है. इनका इस्तेमाल तब किया जाता है जब कोई चीज किसी एरिया के अंदर हो, जैसे मैं रूम में हूँ, या फिर जब हम टाइम की बात कर रहे हों जो थोड़े जनरल सेंस में हो, जैसे मैं सुबह के समय उठता हूँ. चलो थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. इस प्रैक्टिस का रूल सिंपल है. मैं आपको हिंदी में सेंटेंसेस दूंगी और आपको उन्हें इंग्लिश में बोलना है. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. दूध फ्रिज में है.
The milk is in the fridge. So in this way, you can easily improve your English fluency. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.